Welcome to my channel Learn or Not. Today we will learn how to scrap data from web. Have you ever wondered how to scrape data from the web into Excel? It's a question that tickles the minds of many, especially those in the data analysis field. Well, ponder no more because today the veil lifts from this fascinating process. We begin with understanding web scraping. It's a method used to extract large amounts of data from websites where the data is extracted and saved to a local file in your computer or to a table in a database in table format. Now, on to the first step, which is identifying the URL that you want to scrape. Make sure the website is accessible and the data needed is in a structured format. The second step involves inspecting the page. Use the Inspect feature in your browser to see the raw HTML content. This aids in identifying the data you want to scrape. Step 3 involves writing the code. You will need to write a script that fetches the data from the URL. This might sound daunting, but worry not. There are several libraries in Python like Beautiful Soup and Scrapy which can make this task a breeze. Step 4. Run the code and extract the data. Once the code is written correctly, it will fetch all the required data from the URL. The fifth step is saving the data. You can save the scraped data into various formats such as CSV, JSON, or in an Excel format. And finally, the last step, analyze the data. This is where the magic happens and the data comes to life. You can use Excel's data analysis tools to analyze the data and gain insights. Today, we have journeyed through the process of web scraping into Excel. We've started from identifying the URL, inspecting the page, writing and running the code, to extracting, saving, and analyzing the data. Remember, web scraping is a powerful tool, but with great power comes great responsibility. Always respect the website's terms of service. So, the next time you come across a website full of data waiting to be analyzed, fear not. You now have the knowledge and the power to scrape that data into Excel and let it reveal the stories it holds. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey.